Hi folks, Russ with ProSteam UK here. We've been asked by the client to restore these carpets as best as we can get them. This particular office is being handed back to the landlord. It's come to the end of its lease, so the carpets have all got to be cleaned. The cleaners have been in, they've done all their work, so the very last stage is really just to get the carpets cleaned. And my assistant at the moment is using what we call a contra-rotating brush machine, and what that's actually doing is lifting as much of the dry dirt and hair and whatnot from the carpet tiles. And we use this machine before we've even then gone to use our SIBO vacuum cleaner. Okay, so it's a two-stage dry soil removing process, and once that's done, we are then going to spot the carpet using this heated extraction machine. That's going to take all the dirt or any spillages, I should say, out of the carpet and any spots or whatnot. And then once we've done that, we're then going to use this machine. It's a Simex, and the Simex is going to encapsulate the carpet. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking to yourself, well, I'm going to get my mate to clean my office carpets. He's got a rug doctor. He cleans people's carpets in their houses. It's not quite as simple as that. You need, in order to get great results, you need to have the right equipment, and that's exactly what we have. And that's exactly why we are not going to be your cheapest option. Anyway, we're going to clean this portion of the carpet, and then we're going to do a comparison between how that part of the carpet looks and how this part of the carpet looks, and then you get some idea on what sort of results we can achieve, and you can see why we're not the cheapest. Right, we'll come back to this in a bit. Right, we've just cleaned this section of the carpet using the Simex, and just to give you some comparison between this part of the room and the other part of the room, I'm going to stand here and you can see, or you might be able to see, a difference in the colour of the carpet. So this part of the carpet kind of looks sort of tanned yellow, and that's because of the dirt, especially in this middle area here. And then where we have cleaned, it's brighter. The carpet looks more grey. We've cleaned in this room as well. Okay, so not only does it look brighter and cleaner, it smells nice as well. We're just about to clean in this room here. Nothing we can do, unfortunately, about the damage on the carpet. Something's been dragged across there, but that's not why we're here. We're here to remove the dirt and to make the carpet look presentable for the next tenant. The carpet is still drying out, but we've pretty much done everything now. It looks brighter, it smells great, and the best bit is it's drying out very quickly in places. Obviously, some of the places where we had to spot clean and flush, where people have dropped coffee, tea, whatever, they're going to take longer to dry, but most of it is drying out very, very well, and it's looking really good. So there you go. So having specialist equipment and using premium quality products achieve great results. And so when you are looking for a quote and you get that quote that's a lot cheaper than ours, you have to question, why is it cheaper? Are you going to use the same equipment? Are you going to use the same products? Will you achieve the same results as ProSteam? If you're looking for a cheap job and you're not really that bothered about how it looks, you better book somebody else, because we take a lot of pride in our work, and we've invested a lot of money in the business because we care. And right down here there was a really nasty water leak, or something had been spilt, and we've managed to improve that. that area there. So there you go, folks. Thanks for watching. There'll be a link to the website in the description, and also telephone numbers if you wish to contact us. Thanks for watching.